Hi everyone. 10 weeks have passed again, and a new version of the Linchpin Intranet Suite is available on the Atlassian Marketplace. Linchpin version 3.4 brings exciting new features for new and existing customers. Let's get right to it. Let's start with a feature especially new Linchpin administrators are going to love. As all of you know, the Linchpin Intranet Suite transforms your Confluence wiki into a fully fledged social intranet. This is why it comes with a huge feature set that needs to be configured. To jumpstart this configuration, we are introducing a setup assistant. The setup assistant is started after installing the Linchpin Intranet Suite. You can now upload a logo, which I'm going to do right now, and then click on Next. Based on the logo you have uploaded, you are getting recommendations for different colors. You can also choose a primary color, which is already recommended. If I'm happy with the recommendation, I can just click on Next. After that, I get to choose a style for my dashboard. There are three options. Either I leave it blank, or I can choose between a news dashboard or a collaboration dashboard. I can also preview an example just below the options. If I'm deciding to go with a news dashboard, all I need to do is select it and click on Next. Here I get to choose if I want to add some demo content to my Linchpin instance. I would highly recommend it to do it if you are new to Linchpin, because this is how you will already get some blog posts and some menu entries, so you don't need to do everything from scratch. If you click on Next, all you need to do is click on this button and you will be transferred to your dashboard. Before I went through the setup assistant, my dashboard looked like this. So if I just give it a few more seconds right here, I will be redirected to my new Linchpin Intranet dashboard, which is loaded right here. Setting up Linchpin has never been faster. When it comes to bottom-up communication in Linchpin Intranet, there is no way around the microblog. Users can share microposts where other users can engage with them. In this new version of the Linchpin Intranet Suite, we have improved the look and feel. Let's take a look. As you can see here, microposts, including their corresponding replies, are now structured in individual boxes. This is how you can separate microposts from each other more easily. Whether you're using the microblog in the hub or the macro on the dashboard, the same look and feel is applied. As an intranet is the place where users and teams come together, the Linchpin Intranet Suite was almost designated to display organizational charts. In this new version, we have overhauled the org chart functionality of Linchpin and made it more fun to use. Provided that I have added my superior in my user profile, I can now display in the org chart tab the organizational structure. Here you can see that Michael is my superior, while Catherine and Theo are on my level. I can also expand the org chart or hide information if I don't like to see them at once. I can also decide to reset the view, so we can always start with my profile in the center. And obviously I can access the org charts of other users by just clicking on the org chart tab in their corresponding user profiles. The Linchpin teaser macro is very popular to highlight important links and pages in your intranet. To give you more flexibility in styling your pages, you can now control the height of those Linchpin teasers. Let's take a look. Go into the edit mode of your page and edit the Linchpin teaser macro. Here you can see that you can apply a setting for the height of those teaser macros. I will change that to 250 pixels and preview the macro now. And if I'm happy with the result, all I need to do is save the setting and update the page. News magazines are very popular to compile a selection of blog posts and information to a certain topic in a very compact and beautiful way. In this new version, we give you more creative freedom and allow you to upload images into your magazines. All you need to do here is go into the configuration of your news magazine and add module. You can now select the image module, which will allow you to upload an image, which I'm going to do now. As soon as I do that, I can now crop the image to my liking and decide if I want to keep the original size or show the image in full page width. I will choose the latter. And here is the image I just uploaded. Obviously, I can now order it below here. And when I'm ready, I can preview it and see my image as a part of my news magazine. Creating events in Linchpin for get-togethers such as user trainings or company-wide meetings is a very good way to increase transparency and reach more people in your organization. To make sharing more easily, it is now possible to copy links to whole event categories. All you need to do for that is access the Event Hub and select a category on the left in this sidebar. When you hover, you can see that a new icon appears on the right side. If I click on that, a link to this event category is copied to my clipboard. When I open a new tab now and paste the link, you can see that I'm getting a filtered event list for the specific user category I just selected. Sharing news and announcement in Linchpin is one of the most important and popular use cases there is. This is why news editors use templates for their blog posts. This makes content creation easier and more fun. In this new version of Linchpin Intranet Suite, we have also introduced an integration with the Blueprint Creator, one of the most popular Confluence apps that allows you to create custom blueprints for spaces, pages, and blog posts without any coding. Let's take a look. After installing the Blueprint Creator and setting up a blog post, you can now open up the page title configuration and enable the Linchpin Enterprise News integration. As soon as you do that, you will be seeing this slide that shows you that the integration has been successful. When you are done with that, you are ready to go and create a new blog post. I will therefore select a Confluence space and select my blueprint right here. So as soon as I start that, I'm getting asked to apply a blog post title, New Yoga Courses. If I click on Next, all the metadata fields you know from the Linchpin Enterprise News, such as publication date and the other ones, are now captured in this user-friendly form. I can now enter a publication date. If I click on Next, I can also attach categories to this blog post. In this case, it will be employees and sport. If I click on Next, I also get to configure the news teaser options. I will choose to upload an image. Just click on Browse and select my yoga image right here. As soon as I'm done, all I need to do is click on Create and the editor shows up. So the page title I just applied is automatically applied here in this blog post, and the other information, such as my publication date or my news teaser options, are right here. If I'm happy with the results, I can just publish this blog post, and when everything is done, this blog post should be displayed here on my dashboard as well. I'm sure you can't wait to try out those new features. The new Linchpin version 3.4 is compatible with Confluence version 7.6 for both server and data center. If you want to improve your skills with Linchpin or train your user base, you should also check out our new training courses for Linchpin. You can find more information about that in the video description below. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop a comment below or to reach out to us directly. See you in 10 weeks.